Hi friends, welcome to the Tech Blog Live YouTube channel. In this video, we will look at the premium device, the Microsoft Surface Pro 7. It shows off all the touch-friendly features of Windows, and kicks off a whole new generation of ultra-portable PCs. The Surface line of hardware is unapologetically premium, meant to act as halo devices for Windows itself. The company claims that the latest chip makes the tablet about 2 to 3 times faster than its previous models. The body is made of a magnesium alloy, and you can buy this generation in the popular platinum or matte black. The most iconic thing about the Surface Pro's design has always been its kickstand. The device measures 12.3 inches on the diagonal with a 3:2 aspect ratio. It's just as sharp, vibrant, and responsive to touch as the previous generation, which was already quite impressive. The Surface Pro 7 was the first of its kind to use one of Intel's 10nm processors across all specifications. That base configuration gets you an Intel Core i3 processor, 4 GB of RAM, and a 128 GB SSD. You get stronger graphics potential now with Intel Iris Plus graphics over Intel UHD graphics. The keyboard keys are well laid out, and the white backlighting with 3 levels is a pleasant surprise. The trackpad also works well, but it's plasticky and is very loud when pressed. When it comes to lasting power, you get more than 8 hours of battery life. The speakers are very loud and produce a surprisingly open sound, though they do lack bass. Battery life was quite good, and you get 8 hours of usage with a bit of video streaming and multitasking. The Surface Pro 7 that we're reviewing here will cost you $1,200 in the US. To get the full Surface Pro experience in this configuration, you'll be spending around $1,500 in the US. Conclusion: the Microsoft Surface Pro 7 is one of the company's most powerful Surface tablets. You get an adjustable kickstand with a hidden microSD card slot along with a rear camera on the top. The front features the usual bezels along with a Windows Hello camera, and a 5-megapixel camera. Overall, the device features a plain, functional design. The Microsoft Surface Pro 7's base price starts at $1,200, approximately 95,000 rupees. If you are curious about the current pricing and availability, you can click on the Amazon link in the description. Thank you guys and see you in the next video.